The first trades will be up for you in just about a second from now. Nifty 0.3% lower at open, 25,250 thereabouts is where we are at. Sensex 0.3% open. The advanced decline ratio quite even Steven right now. Nifty Bank absolutely flat. First up, let's take a look at what Nifty IT is doing and what the cuts are looking like when it comes to that space and how some of the stocks are performing. It's TechM that's lower by 4.5%. Nifty IT all in all a 3.5% cut on that index. Wipro, Infosys, TCS, HCL, Tech along with TechM. These are your top Nifty 50 losers right now. Some other stocks that could be in focus right now, you have Emphasis, a 5% cut over there, LTI Mindtree, HCL Tech, OFSS, TCS, all of these stocks absolutely in the red as we speak. Now from the consumption basket on the back of the GST cut, United Spirits doing well, a 1.5% uptick coming there. Not much happening for Emami, HUL, Colgate, Nestle, mild bit of gain coming in for some of these stocks. Tata Consumer, Britannia, Dabur, they continue to be absolutely flat. From the auto space, it's tire stocks that are doing okay today. MRF is doing well, as is the case with Fiat, Apollo. On the flip side, Tata Motors, Ashok Leyland, Bharat Forge absolutely flat. So we'll give these stocks some more time to react in today's trade. But yes, the entire focus is on Nifty IT today. Let's pull up some of the other stocks that could be in focus. Yes Bank. We understand from agencies that they're looking to foray into wealth management space. So Yes Bank could be another stock in focus. 0.7% uptick at open. Garden Reach on the back of that $62.4 million win that they have bagged right now. So Garden Reach also a stock in focus, and that's up 3.6%. Very positive move on Garden Reach this morning. Lupin on the back of the USFD investigation that has concluded with 4 observations for their Pune plant. 0.8% cut coming in on Lupin. Shipping Corporation, like we were talking about, multiple MOUs signed with BPCL, HPCL, IOC to operate and manage large vessels. So Shipping Corporation is the stock in focus today, and a 4.5% uptick coming in at open. Very healthy move coming in for some of these defense and shipping stocks this morning. Also on that note, want to see what Ashoka Buildcon is doing. They bagged an 18.5 million euros project in Sweden for 100 water wells. So this is an Ivory Coast project, has been given by Sweden. So that's stock in focus, but not doing all that much. Hindustan Copper has signed the Rakha mining lease deal for 20 years in Jamshedpur. So this is also positive coming in for the stock. Hindustan Copper absolutely flat. PNC Infra, they've bagged an LOA from the Bihar State Road Development Corporation for an order worth 495.5 crore rupees. So PNC Infra also doing very well. A 3.5% uptick is what we're seeing. Shrishti, anything that you're spotting and that's standing out to you today?
Oh, indeed, all these shipping and defense counters, they are definitely doing very well. Like you have highlighted, GRSC is almost a 5%. Is Shipping Corporation almost a 5% jump. Cochin Shipyard, Mascot Dock add to that list. Other than that, United Spirits is actually one of the top gainers on the F&O side. Almost a 1.5% gain coming in over there. And along with that, it's the life insurance counters that is once again seen to be doing well. Stocks like HDFC Life, SBI Life, they are higher by over 1%. Vodafone Idea, one of the newsmakers on Friday, once again almost a 2% jump coming in on this particular counter. We'll watch out for some of the other telecom players because Bharti Airtel on the back of that FTSE rebalancing was also in focus. BHEL, one of the movers on Friday, continuing its up move, almost a 1% jump there. But along the flip side, yes, of course, a big drag coming in on the IT space. All these tech majors are indeed declining in today's trading session. And along with that, some of these counters within the financial space are also seen to be taking a bit of a hit. But yes, of course, it's Nifty 50 that is down almost 90 odd points, and Nifty Bank is trying to stabilize around that 55,400 levels. But interesting to note that it's Adani Enterprise that is now seen to be taking the front lead, almost a 1.6% jump coming in on Adani Enterprises. So like we have been talking about, that if IT seems to be taking a backseat, let's see whether or not some of the other sectors and themes come out and take the lead from the forefront. Talking about the breadth of the market, that's almost even, Steven, with respect to a little bit of a number of declines that is seen to be inching more than versus what we have seen in number of the advances. But along with that, it's India Wix that is also up almost 5% as we speak right now. But Kunal, help us understand, how do you see the market open? It's almost on the expected lines with respect to what even GIFT Nifty was indicating.